Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change text border color in MS Word. Changing the border color of a text box in Microsoft Word is a quick way to make your content pop up or blend seamlessly into your document. First you need to click on the insert and click on the text box and pick a draw text box and draw text box and type whatever you want in it. Now click directly on the edge or border of the text you want to change. Once selected, a solid or dashed line will outline it. So you can resizing handles will appear on the corners, so you can resize it like this one. And look at the top, you will see that a contextual tab called shape format will appear in the top ribbon. So in the shape styles group, click on the shapes outline and select your preferred color from the theme color or the standard color, for example red one, and here you can see that. Moreover, right click on the text border line and go to the shape format, and on the side you will see that line. You need to expand it and then click on the solid line, and here you can also change the color of your choice, for example green color, and you can increase the width of the line from here. You can see that. You can also increase or decrease the transparency of the colors. Moreover, you can also select the compound type. You can select the two line border, and here is the dash type. You can select the dotted border like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how to change text border color in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.